Everyone, Dr. Robin from Terrain Health. I want to do a little series on the S1 spike protein because we now know that this is the primary driver of disease in long COVID. So let's just break it down. You have the SARS-CoV-2 virus and it has different proteins. The first main protein is your N protein or the nucleocapsid protein, and that houses most of the viral genome. Then you have three other proteins, the S protein, which is the spike protein, the E protein, which is the envelope protein, and the M protein, which is the membrane protein. These are all embedded in the viral envelope along with the lipid bilayer. But the S1 spike protein is primarily, what that does is it primarily helps the virus get into the cell because it binds the different host cell receptors, where the M and E proteins are really responsible for viral assembly, the building blocks of the virus. We now know through research that there are several different host cell receptors that the S1 spike protein can bind to. We used to think it was just the ACE2 receptor, but it's a plethora of different receptors. And because of this, that's why it's able to infect and distribute to all these different organs, cells, and tissues in the body. And that's also why we see such an array of signs and symptoms in patients with long COVID. Stay tuned for part 2.